are you?
Good, how are you, Neon?
Good, good. So how's the front brakes? Good?
Yeah, front brakes are good.
How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2009 Honda Fit, and today I'm going to replace the rear brake shoes. So let's do this. Ooh. My ear is really thin. Clean it up. Alright, let's clean this baby up. Ooh. Push that there. Okay, that's good. That. Push. Good turn on the back. There we go. Fell down. Okay, that. Turn. It's right here. Just like that. Just like that. Just put it, there we go. Bottom like that. This, there we go. Yep, just like that. There we go. Use this. Just like that. So it goes like this. Like that. There we go. Like that. First things first. Clean that up. Good. And then like that. Okay, take that one out. Alright, let's see. That's the one. There we go. There's the finger, baby. Why you have to be so difficult? Here we go. Yeah, it's like this. Oh. Put it back. Put this back. Ooh. Yes. Yep. Okay, now this. Come on, baby. Go. Now it's like this. Get this. Like. Now it's like this. This goes like this. There you go. Oops. Push, push, don't drop, don't drop. There we go. Go like that. Oos. Oh yeah, boy. That's how to do it. Okay, good. Under. Yes. Drop down just a little. There we go. Yep. Just like that there. Push that piston. This piston. Piston. Oh yeah, piston. Alright, go. Oh yeah. There we go. Where's that spring? That. Like that. Oh yeah. Go in. Just push. Twist. Oh yeah. Just like that. Okay, good. Very good. Let me get this. I gotta adjust. Okay, we gotta adjust it. Oh shit, maybe it's too much. Motherfucker. Yep, 1 full revolution. Yeah, I think that's good. This side, I'm just gonna time lapse it. 8. Alright, that's good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace. Cut.